I challenged Sonic the Hedgehog to a race at supersonic speeds, and you know who won? Of course I did, baby. Can't touch me, can't touch me. Alright, just kidding. But, you're watching now, right? Hello and welcome back to Art Unlimited, your favorite show on the internet where we chase freedom through art and creativity. I'm your host, Hayes, and today, on this very special episode, we are going to take a blast from the past with a little dash from the present. We are diving into one of the greatest video game characters of all time. That's right, I'm sure you guessed it from the video, Sonic the Hedgehog. And maybe a little more specifically, Tails. Welcome back. On today's episode, I'm going to be doing some things that, just pieces that I loved as a kid. And I hope you like them too. So without further ado, let's get started. So, who are they? These two inseparable friends and adventurers have been speeding through our hearts for decades. Sonic, the blue blur himself, known for his lightning-fast speed, attitude, and Tails, the twin-tailed fox with his genius mechanical skills and unwavering loyalty. This pair embodies friendship and courage like none other, really. But before we dive into the sneaker design, let's take a moment to appreciate the impact that these two characters have had on gaming and popular culture. In fact, I'm playing the newest game right now, Sonic Frontier, and from all I can see, they've really stepped it up a notch in this one. Alright, so Sonic has been an inspiration for gamers and artists alike. I mean, I remember when I was a kid, I used to draw Sonic and Tails over and over and over again on that old, kindergarten paper. And of course, those magic markers. But today, we are paying homage to this iconic character and his trusty sidekick Tails by creating custom sneakers that really capture the dynamic duo. So, grab your chili dogs and let's get started. Now that we've got that out of the way, let's talk about the design concept for these sneakers. So, we're going to take Sonic's iconic blue color and his red shoes, and we're going to merge that with Tails' orange and white coloring and really make something that's unique and eye-catching. We're also going to go ahead and incorporate Tails' twin tails into the design, giving our sneakers a bit of a playful feel. And we can't forget the leopard print.
Yeah, boy.
I said, yeah.
And if you really didn't know, I hate taping. Like, really hate taping. All right, good talk. you gotta get your nutrients up. Good breakfast helps to be painting. Be right back with you. Oh, hi. I'm just cleaning off these shoes.
Gotcha, bitch.
Oh my God! Wow! Alright, now that our paint is dry, it's time to add the finishing touches. And you know, a Hayes original wouldn't be an original without the signature, right? Where we going, Kai? Where's there?
Wait for it.
For what?
Here it comes. Almost there.
Pictures. Of what? Shoes. Duh. That's it. I hope you liked them. And if you didn't, keep that to yourself. Anyway, thanks again for joining us on this episode of Art Unlimited, where we encourage you to always keep pushing those boundaries of your creativity. If you have any ideas for other episodes or things you just want to see on this channel, drop a comment down below. And if you just want to show off your own Sonic inspired art, please feel free to do that too. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, ring that little bell. And as always, be you.